Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. We are back in the bathroom because we're doing our hair. So today's video is in collaboration with Wigcool. This is the wig that I'm going to be installing today. A really cute highlighted wig with money pieces. You guys know I used to have a money piece and I just love that look. So the wig that I have is a 9x6 glueless wig. This is a 26-inch body wave wig, but I think I'm gonna crimp this wig. I'm going to go in with a little bit of powder foundation for the lace, just so it can blend in with my skin. I'm going to go in with a little bit of hairspray and of course the wig band that they sent. That was already like melting in. I like to kind of fan it a little bit. I'm like looking to the side because I'm looking in the mirror, so don't mind me. I'm just gonna go in with the wig band and let it dry. This is melted. So the wig is 26 inches. This is how long it is on me. It's from the back, side. So this is a body wig, but what I think I'm gonna do is crimp it. I'm gonna go in with my little Revlon waver here. And we're not going for a deep wave, so I'm not going to leave it on the hair as long as I normally would. Kind of like that. I don't want there to be too much definition in the waves, but I want you to know that I waved my hair, if that makes any sense. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, I just not doing what I want. It's some me time. Keep doing what you want. In the meantime, I just not doing what I want. It's some me time. Keep doing what you want. Maybe I don't love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my will. Rolling stone. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides and focus. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight.
hat on and we might justify. Good night, I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a count my figures. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stutter till I D.I.E. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face.
Okay, so one side is complete and it is so cute. I love it. All my hair is crimped now. It looks so good. Everything about it looks so good. I hope it's not too bright. I feel like, okay. So I love it. It reminds me so much of how my hair was when I had that money piece. Do y'all remember? So yeah, this is what we are looking like. Really cute. Again, 26 inches. Love that. So cute. That's so cute. I just love a cute little deep wave situation. And I didn't hold it on the hair too long because I didn't want like super hard lines of demarcations, especially like at the top. I just wanted it to kind of blend, flow. So yeah, this is the hair. This is the final product. It curled really easily and it's super full. I'm not sure the density on this unit, but I'll be sure to list it down below for you guys. But yeah, I'm a fan, okay? And I love how it has highlights underneath as well as like the money piece. So like when you do that, you get a little bit of everything. So yeah, I'll be sure to list all of this hair's information in the description box for you guys, as well as all of Wigcool's info that you need. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.